To upload simple products, navigate to the Products menu on the sidebar and then click Add New. You can also get to the same place by going to All Products and then clicking Add New. Start by giving a name to your product. Then add a description. Select your category. Edit your Google preview. Add your price. Add a sales price if applicable. And add your product short description. Next, select your product image and simply drag a prepared image onto the Drop Files to Upload section. In this case, I prepared an image of 900 pixels by 900 pixels. Here you can add the alt text for SEO purposes, the title. Generally, your product name should be sufficient. Should you wish, you can also add a caption and description, and set product image. Here we have an example of what your product will look like on Google. If you have additional images, you can add them in the same manner under Product Gallery Images. Here you can add product tags, which will make your product easier to find on Google. It's also important to add your SKU or stock keeping unit. If you have a product that has limited stock, so a product that is not made to order, you can enable stock management and give it a value. Now click Publish. And let's view the product. Delicious.